Okay, 3a plus 2 equals 17. So what is a? A is some unknown number. 3 somethings plus 2 makes 17. Well, 3 5s are 15. A must be 5. 3 5s are 15, plus 2 makes 17. Here's another one. 7x minus 1 equals 27. So what is x? So 7 somethings, take away 1 is 27. Well, 7 4s are 28, take away 1 is 27. So x must equal 4. Here's another one. C squared plus 3 equals 28. So what is c? Well, something squared plus 3 makes 28. 5 squared is 25. 25, 26, 27, 28. So c must equal 5. Okay, here are 4 questions for you to have a go at. Copy down the questions. These are small letters, not capital letters. Underneath, for example, write p equals and work out what p is. Okay, off you go. Okay, the answers. So the first one, 4p plus 1 makes 37. Well, 4 9s are 36, plus 1 is 37, so p equals 9. Number 2, 5w minus 2 equals 33. Well, 6 5s are 30, take away 2 would be 28, that's no good. 7 5s are 35, take away 2 would be 33. So w equals 7. Number 3. 3a plus 2 equals 35. Well, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, that's no good. 3 10s are 30, 31, that's no good. 3 11s are 33, 34, 35. So a equals 11. And the last one, 7t minus 1 equals 35. 7 8s are 56, take away 1 is 55. So t equals 8. Okay, here are 4 more questions. Give these ones a go. Okay, answers. Number 5. So 6e plus 1 is 31. Well, 6 5s are 30. Plus 1 is 31, so e equals 5. Number 2, 9b minus 2 equals 25. Well, 3 9s are 27, 26, 25, so b equals 3. Number 7, 7g plus 3 equals 24. 3 7s are 21, 22, 23, 24. So g equals 3. And the last one, number 8. n squared plus 2 equals 66. So what number squared? 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, that's too small. 8 8s are 64, 65, 66. So n equals 8. What we've been doing here is solving equations. So far, we've just been guessing the answer, but they'll get harder. So we need to have a method for working out more difficult ones. Look at this one. 9x minus 2 equals 4x plus 13. Now the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. They're balanced. They're exactly the same thing. And we can do whatever we like as long as we do the same thing to both sides. It's like an aeroplane flying nice and flat and level. You can add an elephant onto one side. As long as you add an elephant onto the other side, then you're nice and flat and level again, and you'll be able to land the aeroplane. You could take away an engine from one side, you're going to crash unless you take away an engine from the other side, and then you're nice and flat and level again. So here, what we want to do is get rid of things we don't want until we're left with a letter on one side and a number on the other side. So what's the first thing we want to get rid of? Well, I don't like this minus 2. To get rid of that minus 2, I'm going to add 2 to the left-hand side. So I must add 2 to the right-hand side. Add 2 to this side, he disappears. So I must add 2 to that side. I get 4x plus 15. Now, that 4x is in the wrong place. I'm going to take away that 4x from the right-hand side. I'm just left with 15. So I take away 4x from this side. I'm left with 5x. So 5x is 15. X must be 3. Here's an easier one again, but we're going to solve it step by step following that method. First of all, I want to take away 1 from both sides. I don't want this plus 1 here, so I'm going to take him away from this side. I'm left with 6m. I take him away from this side, I have 48. 6m is 48, so m equals 8. Now, here's another one. So, I don't want this minus 2. I'm going to add 2 to this side, so I must add 2 to that side. So 9y equals 63. So y equals 7. Here we divided this side by 9, so we divide that side by 9. Again, we're doing the same thing to both sides. Here's another one. 5c plus 3 equals 48. So I want to get rid of that plus 3. I'm going to take away 3 from this side, so I must take away 3 from that side. So 5c equals 45. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. c equals 9. Okay, here are 4 more questions for you to have a go at. Copy the question and show your lines of working properly. Right, answers. Number 1. So we're going to take away 1 from both sides. So 3a equals 15. a equals 5. Number 2. To get rid of that minus 1, we're going to add 1 to this side, so he's going to disappear. So we're going to add 1 to the other side. 7s equals 21, so s equals 3. Number 4. To get rid of that plus 5, we're going to take away 5 from this side, so we must take away 5 from that side. So this side we're left with 4m. Take away 5, we have 48. 4m equals 48, so m equals 12. Now, number 5, I don't like that minus 2. To get rid of that minus 2, we're going to add 2 to this side, so we must do the same thing to the other side. 5d equals 20, so d equals 4. For each one, you get 1 mark for your working and 1 mark for your answer. Now, download the worksheet and give them a go, but show your steps of working. Work them out properly, even though they might be quite easy.